Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for the JewelScent monthly subscription box, Jewels Across America or Prize Club. This is for April. I already did the March box. I'll link that below in case you're interested, but it's a brand new subscription. You get a little map and a sticker and candles based on a particular travel destination. So it's really cool. Last month we had Hawaii. And I think they were only supposed to send a map with your very first subscription, but it looks like I got another one. So I'm gonna set that aside. So this month is Texas, and it's Watermelon Punch is the scented candle and the bath bombs. And this smells so good. It comes in a box like this, and then it's also inside a bubble wrapped package, and I could smell it a couple feet away from the mailbox. That's how fragrant it is. It smells so good. So you get a little postcard telling you about the scent. Very cute. We have our little sticker, so I'm gonna have to add that to my little map that I already have. And here are the essential bath bombs. Essential means there's not a ring in the bath bombs, but there is a $40 ring in the candle. Oh, it smells so good. I wish you guys can smell this. So half red, or pinkish red color, and half green. You get 2 of those. And then we have a candle. They do wrap this really well. If you guys want to sign up for a subscription, I'll leave all the information below in the description box. It's really awesome. And here's the candle. I would like to mention that you have to have a subscription to get this stuff. You cannot purchase it online individually. And it is a reoccurring monthly subscription. So I love these candles. They're 3-wicked and they're bigger, but kind of short. Cute little label. So I'm going to start burning this and I will be back to show you what rings inside. So here's my map. My Hawaii sticker is way down here. You probably can't see it, but I'm going to put my Texas sticker on there. And they haven't announced quite yet what the next state will be, but they do show you ahead of time. So there's my little map. So we had this burning for several hours. You can't really see the ring, but I kind of felt around in there. And they typically put it right up front by the label. So it should be up here. If you hear a stuffy nose breather, that's Jackson. He wants to take the ring out. I just lifted it up and now I can't find it. Oh, I think I see it. That's what happens when you get impatient.
That's why it shouldn't be in butter.
In butter? It's not butter, silly. It's wax.
Yuck.
This actually feels really flat. Oh my god. If I had a heart attack for a second, I was like, is this a token? That'd be awesome. Still gonna find one of those someday. Do you know what the token means, Jackson?
No.
It means you won something of value.
I think it'll
over
be
$100.
It'll probably be inside the candle. It'll be a whole bunch of rings.
Oh wow!
It'll be 100,000 of them.
One thing I did forget to mention with this subscription: when you sign up for it, every month they do a sweepstakes. Oh, I'm sorry. Here, let me get you another paper towel, and you can win all sorts of really cool products. Here you go, Jackson. You can wipe that off like that. But the sweepstakes, they give away Dyson vacuums and TVs and gaming systems, all sorts of stuff. And did I already tell you this is super, super fragrant? I'm not sure if I mentioned that. But I can smell it throughout the whole entire house, even out in my garage. And it smells delicious. What do you think it smells like?
Probably like watermelon.
Good, because it is supposed to be watermelon.
Probably like a beach set.
A what?
Like a beach set.
A beach?
Set.
Beach set. I don't know what that means, but okay.
I don't want set it is.
Did you say you don't know what it means either? Here, put it over here. He's so funny. What's in it? So it should be a $40 ring. I don't know. I think it says at least a $40 ring on the website, but here, put it over here.
I think it's white.
Yeah. It's so tiny. Oh, it looks like, is it split in the middle? Do they even give you a code? Yeah, they do. Okay. PP36.
PP36.
Yes. Of course, I have to look that up.
Yep.
Oh, that's cute. So it's kind of like a I have my other rings on. Here, put that on my finger. It looks like a little bow. Oh, you're gonna put on my middle finger? That's classy. All right, we'll do that. There we go. It's pretty neat looking. So it has two like teardrop shaped diamonds and then some smaller ones around it and little tiny ones on the side. That's pretty cool. So I'll go ahead and put in that code and clean up this, and I will be right back. So this ring did appraise for $40, and if you guys are interested in signing up for a subscription, if you go to the website, I'll put the link below. You click on the specials tab, and it has it listed there. And I'm not sure what next month is, but there was kind of hints given, and it could be Georgia, which would be exciting, because I'm sure they would do peach then, and I love that smell, so we shall see. But very fun subscription. I'm going to keep posting the unboxings and ring reveals for these, so stay tuned for more. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.